Like I told you guys that today I'm going to lead you to the industrial zone. You can see around me there are a lot of factories, small and medium factories. They're producing different products. You can see that like behind me, the building behind me, there are many floors, 3 floors, 5 floors. Each floor there are many factories. So I want to show you around. That's how we make the production, export the products. Follow me. This I'm going to show you now. This is factories. They are in the production line now. Let's move. Keep moving. This is one of the famous production hub for the clothing in Guangzhou. And everyone knows Siyun now. Do you know how Siyun export their clothing every day? It's from behind me. You can find the secret behind me because there are thousands of small factories behind me in all these buildings, and they are specialized in every small part of the production for the different style clothing. Like today you can see this truck, they are loading I want to show you how they are making the products every day. So as you can see, this is a small, like a workshop. It's thousands of families producing all this clothing every day. Let me just follow me. And you can see now, yes, as you can see, so I'm also helping some of my hair customers handling some clothing exportation. Sometimes, if they need my help, just follow. So just show you. Let's go back to this clothing building. 外贸，我帮客户找这些加工业，外达出口。
我们是做那个专机的，那我们做专机的，就是你有打给人家做是不是？
我帮客户找这些加工，你们是做什么的？
专机的。
这种程序吗？
我们是做专机的，拿着找开点凤眼，拿点凤眼。
其他你们不做？
不是我们做的，我们是跟他们工厂里面做的凤眼啊，就我们找。
这个是你们做的？
不是。
那你们只是打这个？
开凤眼，打扣子啊，
这种。然后有成也不能下面。
是啊，我们不是说做成品的，我们做尾就做一点。
Every factory is very professional for different production process. This is very specialized in different part of a production process. 我找了一圈，好像现在没有以前旺了，是不是好多？
今年就相对好一点了，去年还更不旺。是找加工厂是吧？
对，我就找完之后，我就把对应的这个是做什么，我就拍下来，然后发给国外的客户这样子。
拍点小视频的，
然后发给他们，这个是负责什么的？你那边有什么需求？他要我就知道了，看就对接了这样子。哪里便宜点？
要便宜就要那种江西、西安那些地方。
那当时
小加工厂啊。
现在好像帮了很多哈。
这边是帮了很多。
So just a lot of small factories are moving outside of this area because the cost is comparatively higher than before, and they're moving to another provinces where I know because I traveled to those provinces before. So I just record every workshop for you guys, recognize what part of production lines they are specializing. So when my customers are looking for this type of production line, I know what I can supply them. Is because some of I specialize in the hair business. With extension bundles, less closure, less bundle. But some of my people doing the closing business, so them asked me to look around for them to allocate the cheaper cost area, so I know where to go, because now they are just it's not like before very central in one area. Nowadays they move to where they have cheaper cost. So thank you for them. They just offer me the information. Let's move to another. So they have the machines. Talk to the boss here. They have the machines here. So what you need, let me know. All the machines, it's not difficult. We are heading to the largest exporting port in Guangdong province, and today I'm going to help some of my customers loading the container. So I'm driving to the port to show you the largest exporting port in Guangdong province. So look at the container in front of you. You will see a lot of containers are heading around this way, like we're driving to right now, because in front of us it is the biggest exporting port in Guangdong province. From different parts of the areas will be brought here by containers. So we're almost there. You can see now all the containers are lining up now on our right side. It's very, very convenient to set up a business here, like I told some of my friends. But don't go to the central of Guangzhou. Don't go to central of Guangzhou. It's no good, because the cost is higher. And when you go to the market, actually the cost is higher. I show you around in the village right now, outside of the city, for the lower cost land and labor cost. But anyway, after the production, all the products will be brought here by containers. So it's the same thing. You don't need to go to the market right now. You don't need to go to the central right now, because here we know as business insider, everything the cost is higher. You understand what I'm talking about? You don't need to go to the markets anymore, because all the products will be brought here by container. So yes, let's follow the container.